Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, compass. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.